In this video, I will show you important settings you need to change right now to watch any YouTube video always in HD. Let me show you how. Open up your YouTube app. The next thing you want to do is to click on your profile icon. Click on Settings. Scroll down right here. Go to Video Quality Preferences. So here you go. Go ahead and switch to higher picture quality. Just like so. This is for the mobile network. If you are using Wi-Fi to watch YouTube video, you can also change your Wi-Fi to higher picture quality. And you are done. Simply click on here to tap back. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.